Alright, so we just received this today. Let's proceed to open it and see what's inside, maybe. Alright, let's see. The seal's still there, looks okay. Let's get this. Okay, and here you can see how it looks right out of the box. So you have this really thick braided cable. I mean, this one looks solid, man. It's as thick as the HyperX wired headset that I have. That one, it's pretty thick as well. You see, same thickness, man. Really, really good, strong braided cable, man. Nice. So this is the USB. What is this? Is this a charging cable? Also, yeah, it's a micro USB. So it must be the charging port. So I mean, let's take this out. Let's look at it, man. Is this beautiful or what? Oh, that's nice. Now that is a nice looking set. So apparently you can off and on here. It's supposed to have red lights to when it's on and all that. But yeah, I will get that done and I'll give you guys a shot on it soon. But it's nice though, man. It's quite heavy. Not that heavy. It was 700 and some 13 grams or something. And you can see. Or I guess you can adjust it here, a knob here. Let me see if you adjust it, what happens. There it just drops. It just dropped to the front. So if you hold it up, fingers all over the camera. Hold it up. Okay. So if you hold it up, you can adjust it and you can tighten it. Okay, it's just a screw, I suppose. Yeah. It's quite nice behind here. You see the buttons, the cardioid, and the whatever stereo, mono pickup cardioid. Usually, I think the one most of people will be using and I'll be using is this one here, the third one, cardioid. So that means the sound comes from the front. Okay, anyway, we'll work it out soon. Okay, so this is me recording sound on the HyperX headset. So the HyperX headset is the HyperX wired headset that I got. It's the cheapest gaming headset out there, but it has a decent mic and it has a decent sound as well. I'd highly recommend it. So, but this is what I sound like on the HyperX headset, which is this headset. Alright, as I showed in the video earlier, it has the same braided cable and it has a sound card. Now, let me give you the sound, and of course, it'll sound a bit nasally. It doesn't sound as clear because you probably won't hear the bass. Now, I'm going, and let me switch this off, sorry. Okay, so now that was switched off. So now let me switch it to the HyperX Quadcast. I'm sitting about 2.5 mouths, 3 fist lengths from the mic, and I'm going to switch to the Quadcast right now. And now you're listening to me talk through the HyperX Quadcast with the pop filter on. So earlier I didn't have the pop filter on. So if you don't have the pop filter and you go very close, you will hear all the poppy sounds. But now with the pop filter, which is this pop filter here, as you can see, this one, Alcatron. This pop filter on, the sound it won't burst your ears. So people using eardrums, if you hear the sound when I go very close and I'm speaking really loudly, the S's and the P's will burst your ears. But with a pop filter, it's not so bad. Now let me just show you without the pop filter. Okay, so this is it without the pop filter. So if I go very close and speak really loudly, the thing is almost peaking, and it's peaking pretty badly also. So if I put it to the gain in the middle gain, and speak like this is how it sounds. Now let me just really put the pop filter really quickly. This is how it sounds with the pop filter on. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys thinking of getting this, it's not bad. It has the mount and a little bit of a cool look to it. Okay, HyperX Quadcast. Thanks for stopping by.